Welcome to all of you. In this video, we are going to know about the poem You Can't Be That, written by Brian Patton from the book The English Connection, 6th Standard. So, Brian Patton. Brian Patton was born in 1946 and he is an English poet. And his another famous poems are poetry collections are Storm Damage and Armada. Armada was a special. Why? Because in this collection of poetry, there is a sequence of poem concerning the of to the death of his mother, and there is memories of his childhood in this poetry collection Armada. So now let us know about the poem You Can't Be That. So in this poem, in its introductory lines, three questions are there. That what do you wish to be when you grow up? Do your parents want you to be something different? Do they want you to be something of their choices? So for this, read Brian Patton's poem advising parents that they should trust, they should respect, they should value their children as individuals, and they should not force them. They should not thrust their choices on them, on their children. So in first stanza, I told them, I refers to the boy, them refers to the parents. So the boy told his parents that when I grow up, I'm not going to be a scientist or someone who reads the news on TV, means newsreader. No, a million birds will fly through me. I'm going to be a tree. He wanted to enjoy the nature, so that's why he says that I will become a tree. But they reply, what is the response of their parents? They said, what did they say? They said that you can't be that. No, you can't be that. What cannot be? He cannot become a tree. Now next, I told them. Again boy says, I told my parents when I grow up I'm not going to be an airline pilot, a dancer, a lawyer, or master of ceremonies. In fact, no, huge whales will swim in me. I am going to be an ocean. Now, again, he says that he will enjoy the nature and that's why he will become an ocean and blue whales will play with him. Now, again, what is the response? They said, his parents said, you can't be that. No, you can't be that. What? Ocean. No, you can't be an ocean. I told them I'm not going to be a DJ in third stanza. Again, the list of many things are there. I'm not going to be a DJ, then a computer programmer, a musician, or a beautician. No, I will be a range of mountains where streams will flow through me. I will be a home of eagles. I will be full of nooks, crannies, valleys, and fountains. I will be a range of mountains. Again, the same reply, no, you can't be that. No, you can't be that. Now he is a little bit angry on his parents and he says, just what do you think I am? They reply, you are just a child, and children always become at least one of the things from the above list which we want them to be. Now, he says about his parents that they do not understand me. I will be stable if I want, smelling of a fresh air. I will be lost glade in which unicorns still play. They do not realize I can fulfill any ambition. They do not realize that among them walks a magician. Magician, why? Because I am capable of being stable in my opinions. I am uh, able, my imagination is such strong. I can imagine such a strong way that I can be can be lost. I can be a lost glade in my imagination in which unicorns still play. Means my imagination, my creative thinking, everything is superb, and they do not realize all these things, and they do not realize that's why that I am able to fulfill my any ambition. And that's why they do not realize that among them walks a magician. Why a magician? Because I can fulfill my all dreams, what I think. Now let us know the question answers. So there are two sections. In A section, referring lines are there. Lines are, they do not realize I can fulfill any ambition. They do not realize that among them walks a magician. Three questions are there. A, who is the speaker? Who is they? Answer, The speakers are the boy. Who is the speaker? Speaker is the boy, and who are they? They are the parents. B question. List any three things they want the speaker to become. Answer. The list of three things which they want the speaker to become are scientist, newsreader, and pilot. Many things are there, but I am picking up only three things. C question. What does the speaker want to be? List any three things. Same answer. The speaker wants to become tree, ocean, and range of mountains. Only three things he mentions, and three things are those. Now B section. First question. Who is the speaker of the poem? Do you think the speaker is a specific individual or any person of his or her age? Give reasons for your answer. Who does he refer to as them? Answer. The speaker of the poem is a boy. I think that the speaker is a specific individual of 2 to 5 year old boy, because the boy wants to become a tree, ocean, a range of mountains, which is not possible, and he is not able to differentiate the living and non-living things. So he refers them next part, he refers them as parents. Question number 2. Why do they say he can't become what she wants to? Answer. They say that he can't become what he wants to become because they think that he is just a child, and children always become at least one of the things they, parents and elders, want them to be. Question number 3. The speaker asks them, just what do you think I am? What do they reply? Why does the speaker say they don't understand her, him? Answer. The speaker asks them, just what do you think I am? They reply, a child. And the speaker says they don't understand him because they do not realize that he can fulfill his ambition, and they should value his individuality, and they should not thrust their choices on him. Last question. What is the speaker's mood in the poem? Answer. The speaker's mood in the poem is thoughtful and imaginative. So this is all about the poem. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If it is liked by you, please subscribe the channel and share the video. And God bless us all. Thanks a lot once again.